Hey guys, so here we go. Today we are going to do a review, a product review, not sponsored. Nobody asked me to do this. I just can't help but share when I find something amazing. So this is what we're going to review. It's this travel jacket. It might just look like a black jacket, but it's not. So I found this on Kickstarter and I backed it back in October of 2025. So now it's April 2026. So it's been 6 months since I first paid for this, backed it. I don't even remember how much it was. It was more than I've ever paid for a jacket, but not super lots. And it was inspiring enough that I was like, ooh, I want to try that. Okay, so for context, I have a Nomade, N-O-M-A-D-E. So Nomade58. It is a size medium in black. They do have it in gray. So when it came, it was in this little baggie, and then it was sealed in another bag. So it was super protected, well done. I like the branding on the bag. And I was like, well, what is that? It's minimal organized wear. That's the company who makes it. And so this protected it. It was folded up really nice. I was so excited when I got it. I was like, what did I order? I didn't remember what I ordered. I knew it was coming, but I didn't know when. So I opened it and I was so excited. I just ripped the whole bag open and I didn't get to show you what the thing looked like. But we're going to talk about this jacket. Okay. Oh, I think I have the cord in there. Okay. So here's the jacket. And we are going to count and see if we can figure out how many pockets this little guy has. So hopefully the light from the window will help. You can see all the pockets. Okay, this one in the back, let's start here. This is where you put a water bottle in. So you can snap your water bottle in there. You can tighten this cinch up so it sticks on the back of you while you're there. Okay, I put this on and I was like, I'm going to find a pocket and then I'm going to find another pocket and I'm going to find another pocket. And it was amazing. I was like, this is the greatest thing. And I would show my kids and then I'd find another pocket. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can tip it down a little bit so you can see. Okay, so this is my left side pocket, okay? So my hand goes in here. Inside of this pocket, which you can hardly see, there's a hidden zipper pocket. So inside, so I can hide like my keys in there and then I can still put my hand in there and I'm not going to worry about knocking my keys out while I'm going somewhere. And inside of there's also like a little stretchy pocket. There you go, a little stretchy pocket. So I found like I would put my keys or my headphones in that one. Then there's like a tiny little pocket in there. Let's see what that, I didn't think I knew about that one. That's a new one I just found just now. That's a tiny pocket. So you could put like a throat drop or your meds or some coins or something in there and they're not going to jingle around. Awesome. Okay, and then there's a zipper on the outside. So in this pocket, then you can put things you don't want to jump out. Okay, and this pocket's cool. So you can also drop stuff in through here and you can pull it out the sides. You can unzip it or you can just quick drop your phone in if you're on a call or you need to just put it in really quick. This unzips, there you go. And so you can kind of have bigger access to all that little like organizer pockets down in there. This thing is amazing. Okay, so let's count how many pockets are right here. We have 1, that's a 2-sided pocket. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have 6 pockets just on this corner. Uh-oh, is that another one? What's that? No, that's just a flap. Okay, 6 pockets. The stitching and the detail in this, guys, is amazing. It's like super high quality, very well done. I don't see any like issues with it. I think they said it was made like they did digital CNC machines or something that like cut out the fabric precisely and sewed everything precisely. But I don't even know how. It's like a feat of engineering to put, did I say 6 or 7 pockets right there in that part? I don't remember. 1. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 right there. 6 on that side. That's your right hand. Okay. So then let's open the left. We're on the left still. Left side. So 6 pockets there. And then we're going to go here. We've got 1. This is a giant pocket. So you could put a laptop or like a tablet or something in there. Okay, so you got 1, 2. This one's even bigger. 3, little zipper. 4, that one goes kind of deep. So you could put like your passport or something in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a nice deep one. That would also be good for like a passport or a wallet. 5. I'm losing track again. Okay, 6 right here. Because that's like got a split. Okay, 6. Oh, this is cool. This is in there. I'm going to show you what that is in a minute. I think I said 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, plus 4 little pin slots if you need to hang a pin. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. Okay, 6 and 6. So you're at 12 pockets right there already. There was another hidden one that I don't remember if I found yet. It's on the other side. Okay, so 12 pockets just on the left side. Okay, then when you look at your arm on your sleeve, you have a little hidden pocket right here. So if you wanted to drop your AirPods in there or something, so they're easy to grab, or your sunglasses. I saw a video and somebody put sunglasses in there. Okay, so 12, 13, and then I think I saw something about, oh yep, look, there's a hidden pocket on inside the sleeve too. So you could also put your AirPods in there where they would hide inside. How deep is that one? Let's see. That's a deep pocket. Wait a sec. Okay, it's the same. No. It's either way. That's awesome. Okay, so you can drop it in this side. I'm learning stuff with you guys as I look at this. Holy cow. Okay, so you put it in there, and then you can pull it out through here if you want to. That's cool. So you can hide something either way. Okay, so you put it in through the front, put it in through the top, pull it out in the inside. Okay, so we have 6, 12, 13, and that's a pull-through pocket. Okay, your hood has this nice little visor thing on it to keep the sun out, or the rain, which I love because my glasses are always in the middle of the rain and it's a problem. And then your little pull cords here, so this will cinch down around your face. We'll do like a try-on video too in a minute. Okay, so we're at 6, 12, 13 pockets. Oh, we didn't even talk about the top left side. This is your breast pocket here. I whacked my mic, sorry about that. And this has a nice deep pocket as well. So that is kind of the back of this one, but they don't connect to each other, so it's actually 2 different pockets. Okay, so we're at 12, 13, 14 pockets on that side. Okay, and then we'll do this looking on the right side this time. Looks about the same actually, I believe. They're the same on both sides. So this has all the same little organizers. Both sides, we're not going to do both because this video is going to get really long if we do. Except for this one, instead of having double inner pockets, it has the one here. You got a loop on the side, a deep pocket down here, side pocket there. I believe the ad said there was 28 pockets, which makes sense because, you know, half and half and 28. Okay, and then on this side, you have like a hidden zip pocket here, which you can also put quick cash or something you need, easy access in the side pocket there. So there you go. Okay, and this thing, this cord, so these little hooks, there's a little hook here, and there's a little hook. Where's the other hook? I got another hook. Okay, here we go, right here. So there's these hooks, and you can put your little clip. It's got these cool carabiner clips on it, like this. You can clip them on there, and then this turns into a sling. So you can sling this over your back if you're hiking or something, and you're like, hey, I got really hot, and now I need to take it with me. I can sling it over my back, and I can carry it like that, and I'm not going to have this in my hands trying to do that while I'm hiking or walking or going through an airport and managing luggage and all of the things. And it holds all my stuff at the same time. So exciting. Okay, I'm going to do another video, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on, and then I will do the video where I take all the stuff I showed you in the first one. I don't know what order I'll put these in. Anyways, there's another video where I showed you all the stuff I'm going to try to put in it, and then we'll put it all in, and then I'll show you as I put it in, and then we'll see what it looks like in and how it feels and fits and all the things once it's full. Okay, see you in a sec.